Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest reviews and product recommendations. Today, I'm really excited to talk to you about the 3PCS tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11, 15 Pro Max, Mini, XR, X, XS Max, 7, 8 Plus, and SE. Let's be honest, we all know how important it is to keep our phones protected, especially those expensive new iPhones. With the 3PCS tempered glass screen protector, you can ensure that your screen stays safe from scratches, drops, and everyday wear and tear. The high-quality tempered glass provides maximum clarity and touch sensitivity, so you won't even notice it's there. Plus, with 3 pieces included, you'll have spares in case you ever need to replace it. But here's the best part: this screen protector is easy to install, bubble-free, and comes with all the tools you need to ensure a perfect application every time. Say goodbye to those frustrating installation experiences and hello to a crystal-clear, protected screen. So, if you want to keep your iPhone looking brand new and avoid expensive screen repairs, click the link in the description to get your 3PCS tempered glass screen protector today. Trust me, you won't regret it.